and welcome to Inspiria TV. This is Tanisha Singhal and you're watching Inspiria this month. Let's begin with the news headlines. Inspiria hosts Orientation Bootcamp to welcome the batch of 2025. Sony India conducts exclusive workshop at Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Sweshala Mental Health Awareness Session was held in collaboration with Dr. Reddy. Inspiria TV anchor Priya Jha conducts exclusive interview with the influencer Shahana Banu in Friendship Day podcast. BMS alumnus Sharat Agarwal returns for an inspiring guest lecture in the boot camp. Let's now look into the news in detail. Inspiria hosts Orientation Bootcamp to welcome the batch of 2025. Here's our Inspiria TV reporter Pritam Agarwal.
Inspiria Knowledge Campus recently welcomed its new batch of first-year students with a 1-hour orientation bootcamp designed to provide a comprehensive introduction to campus life. Conducted by faculty members, the session highlighted the institution's vision, values, and state-of-the-art infrastructure. Students also explored various clubs and extracurricular platforms available, encouraging them to engage beyond academics. The bootcamp set the tone for an exciting academic year ahead, commencing in August 2025.
In an enriching industry academia collaboration, Inspiria Knowledge Campus hosted cinematography and photography workshop in association with Sony India. Led by experts from Sony, the workshop delved into the fundamentals of photography, cinematic techniques, and the evolving role of technology in filmmaking. The practical session offered students a unique opportunity to operate Sony's advanced equipment, bridging the gap between theory and industry practice, empowering aspiring media professionals with real-world skills. Sweshala Mental Health Awareness Session held in collaboration with Dr. Reddy. Here's a report by our reporter Diksha Samantha.
On July 17, 2025, Inspiria organized a special session titled Swasthya in collaborations with Dr. Reddy's Laboratories Limited. Under the nationwide mental health campaign, the initiative hosted by the Mental Club emphasized mental well-being, awareness, and destigmatization of mental health issues. The sessions created a safe space for dialogue and learning, reinforcing Inspiria commitment to nurturing a mentally healthy academic environment.
As a part of Friendship Day podcast, media science students and Inspiria TV anchor Priya Jha sat down with the popular influencer Shahana Banu. The conversation revolved around the essence of modern-day friendship in the digital era. Shahana shared her journey and insights into building meaningful human connection amidst the fast-paced world of social media. The link to the podcast is in the description of. Returning to his roots, BMS alumnus Sharat Agarwal addressed the first-year students during the orientation bootcamp. In his motivational session, Sharat recounted his professional journey and the lessons learned along the way, emphasizing adaptability, skill development, and resilience. His talk resonated deeply with the new students. The session was marked by active student participation and served as a powerful reminder of the success that stems from hard work and vision. Let's go through the news headlines once again. Inspiria hosts Orientation Bootcamp to welcome the batch of 2025. Sony India conducts exclusive workshop at Inspiria Knowledge Campus. Sweshala Mental Health Awareness Session was held in collaboration with Dr. Reddy. Inspiria TV anchor Priya Jha conducts exclusive interview with the influencer Shahana Banu in Friendship Day podcast. BMS alumnus Sharat Agarwal returns for an inspiring guest lecture in the boot camp. That's it from this edition of Inspiria this month. This is Tanisha Singhal signing off.